Hello friends, myself CA Tilotma from Engineering Excellence Academy. Friends, in this video today we will learn how to file ITR-1 for March 2020, that is for assessment year 2021. So for this we will quickly go to Income Tax e-filing website, that is incometaxindia.efiling.gov.in. We are now on the e-filing website page. Friends, if you have not created your account on e-filing website, then you need to register yourself, fill in all the required details correctly. You will get your user ID password. With that user ID password, you can log in here. This is the login page. Enter your user ID password. Friends, for e-filing income tax return, user ID is always the PAN number of the assessee. So user ID will be your PAN number. Then we will enter the captcha code here. Friends, why this captcha code required? Captcha code is basically required to tell the computer that you are not a robot. So you will log in here. After login, the system will prompt you to update your contact and address details. You can continue, fill in all your contact and address detail and update the same, or skip it for the time being. This is the income tax e-filing dashboard. To file ITR-1, I will go to e-filing tab, income tax return. I will select the assessment year 2021. ITR form 1 is 1. ITR-1, that is Sahaj. Filing type is original. Submission mode is prepare and submit online. Friends, your ITR-1 will be auto-populated based on your PAN details, your 26AS and your latest ITR filed by you. Continue. Then again a dialog box will come wherein you will be prompted to give a declaration that whatever is being pre-filled in the return you will cross-check and then submit it to the department. So we will click the checkbox and continue filing our return. So this is the first page of ITR-1 Sahaj. First page is the general instruction page. Friends, there are certain instruction. We advise you to please thoroughly go to the general instruction very carefully before you proceed filing your return. So the first page of ITR-1 is Part A, general information. As I told you, the income tax details or general information details will be auto-populated here. So all my details have been auto-populated. So I will quickly verify all my details and modify it required. Friends, this year mentioning your Aadhaar number is mandatory to file your income tax return. So I have checked all my details populated here and I will go to the next screen. Friends, it's very important to save your data frequently to prevent any loss of data. The second page is computation of income and tax. Friends, ITR-1 is for resident individuals whose gross total income is up to 50 lakhs. And income can comprise of income from salary or pension income, income from any one house property, or income from other source. So based on your 26AS Form 16A or Form 16, please populate all your details here correctly. For income from other source, you can select the nature of your income from other source out of the list given here. If you select any other, you need to write the description and then enter the amount. In the part C, you need to give the details of the investment which you have made for availing tax deduction under Chapter 6A. So please keep all your documents handy while you are filing your income tax return. Fill in all your details, figures correctly. Next is the exempt income part. If your income consists of any income which is exempt, under the following section you can select these sections and give the corresponding amount here. Based on the income given by you in the part B, and the deduction given by you in the part C, the system will automatically calculate the tax here. So you can check the tax calculated by the system, save the draft again and go to the next page. The next page consists of tax details wherein tax deducted against your PAN or collected against your PAN or tax deposited by you by way of advance tax or self-assessment tax will be auto-populated here. So quickly you can go through all your tax details, modify if you require, save draft and continue. In the next page, total of your advance tax paid, TDS, TCS or tax self-assessment tax paid will be calculated here. And then the system will calculate the balance tax amount which is payable by you or refundable to you. Part E is the other information which contains the detail of your bank account for refund of any tax credit. Next is the verification wherein you need to verify your return. Then you need to select an option like how will you verify your return, whether you will e-verify your return or send the hard copy of your ITR 5 to CPC Bangalore by speed post. So for the time being, I will select I would like to e-verify later within 120 days from the date of filing. Then again I will save draft and continue. Friends, as you know, for COVID-19 situation, investment timeline under Chapter 6A was extended by Ministry of Finance up to 31st July 2020. So here in this tab, you need to give a bifurcation of the amount invested by you up to March 2020 and in between April 20 to 31st July 2020. Please enter all your details carefully and correctly. Save draft and go to the next section. Next section is the details of 80D wherein your Mediclaim details will be given by you. So you can select whether you are claiming it for your family member or not and whether any of your parent is a senior citizen or not. Then we will proceed to the next screen. The next screen contains the details of the donation given by you under the various head. You can easily fill in all the details here under various sections. After filling all the details, save draft and then continue. Then this is the last tab which contains the details of the donation given by you for scientific research or rural development. So please fill in all the details here. Then again save draft. Now by now we have filled all the details. Then we will just preview and go to the submit tab. So income tax portal will say that before filling, please verify all the details are valid or not. So herein, if you have missed any, so here in this tab, if you have made any mistake, the portal will tell you what kind of mistake you have made. So you can go back and correct the details. So I have been prompted here to select the bank details in which I need to prefer the refund. So I will again go to the back screen and select my bank account details. Again, I will click on preview and submit. Select on preview and submit. So this is the summary of ITR 1 Sahaj which we have filled in. At this page also you can edit any of the option. If you think you have made mistake, you can easily edit any of the option by clicking on edit. please check all your details. Here also edit option is there. You can easily edit your details. Please check all your parts. Part A, Part B, Part C, Part D, Part E, and then the verification part. Part DI is the investment part. You can still edit here. And when you are sure that you have filled in all the details correctly, you can submit your return. So friends, we have successfully filed our ITR 1. So in case you have any query, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.